In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create products in Odoo, step by step. The process is straightforward, but it's important to pay attention to each detail to get everything right. To start, open your Odoo dashboard and navigate to the Sales app. This is where all your sales-related activities are managed, and it's where we'll begin creating our new product. The Sales app can typically be found on your main dashboard. Click on it, and this will take you directly into the Sales module. Once you're in the Sales module, look for the Products section. It's here that all products are listed and managed. Click on Products, and you'll see a list of all existing products. This screen gives you an overview of what you currently have available for sale, and it's also where you'll add new products. With the products screen open, you'll notice a new button. Clicking on this allows you to create a new product entry. Once you click, a new product form will appear, prompting you to fill out several key fields. Start by typing in the product name. Choose a clear, descriptive name for your product, as it will appear on invoices, delivery slips, and across your sales portals. After you input the name, navigate to the General Information tab to specify additional details. Here you'll select the product type. Odoo typically offers three options: consumable, service, or storable product. Be sure to choose the type that best fits your product. This selection is crucial because it affects how the product is handled within your inventory and sales processes. Next, input the invoicing policy, deciding whether customers should be invoiced based on ordered or delivered quantities. This choice can impact customer satisfaction and operational workflows, so choose according to your business practices. Now it's time to enter the sales price, which is how much you will charge your customers for the product. Right below, ensure you choose the applicable sales taxes. Accurate tax settings are vital for compliance and proper accounting. Then enter the product cost. This refers to your purchase price of the product. Having this data helps with margin calculations and inventory valuations. Next, you'll see fields for purchase taxes. Set these according to the taxes you pay when acquiring the product. Select the category that best describes your product. Categories help in organizing and analyzing sales data. If needed, you can also input a reference, which might be an internal SKU or another referencing system used in your company. Don't forget to include a barcode if you have one. This simplifies sales and stock operations, especially for physical goods. If your product involves complex pricing or sales conditions, you may optionally explore the sales, prices, or accounting tabs for advanced settings. Odoo features an autosave functionality, so most changes you make will be automatically saved. Ensure all fields reflect the correct information, and feel free to revisit any section if adjustments are needed. And that's how you create a new product in Odoo. You now have a well-documented entry that aligns with your operational needs. Thank you for watching, and happy product management.